Alright guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and I got gifted this. It's a propane heater, but I don't know much about it. It was sitting in my wife's grandfather's barn. He had a couple of them. And so he thought he would give me one because apparently he heard I couldn't get much done because I didn't have any heat in my garage. So, oh, come on. I'm going to see if I can clean it up a little bit before we turn it on. Apparently, if you can see that, it is a Reddy heater brand. 35,000 BTUs. Now I'm just thinking here, but for my garage, I don't see why that wouldn't be enough to give it some substantial heat in here. 35,000. Yeah, I think that should be enough to do something in here. Seems like the top of this is kind of like rusty. The paint's faded over time. Maybe I'll see what or maybe that is paint. I don't know. But we'll see what we can do about fixing this up sometime later. For now, let's get it hooked up and turn it on and make sure it works. Okay, gentlemen, now I just need some power. Whoa. Whoa. Did somebody get that? Whoa, that's way too much. I hope I got that. Fireball! Okay, let's try just a couple of. That's weird. Maybe it's got to be plugged in to stay on. Never really used one of these before. Not these kind. Used the kerosene. There we go. Kicking out flames. Okay guys, so right now, before this was on the other side of the room, right now we're reading, what is that, just a little over 50 degrees. We'll hold this in front of this for a second. Hopefully it doesn't melt. It's just a cheap thermometer. Oh yeah, just held it in front of it for a second. Already we're at like almost 80. It's putting off a lot of heat. Yeah, we're almost up to 100. Just sitting a few inches from this thing. And I don't want to melt the thermometer. But it was like 50 degrees in here beforehand. So I'm going to hang that up on the wall. I'm going to leave this run for a few. And then we're going to see how this does to warm the garage. Alright guys, yeah, it works. Maybe a little too well. I still got this door kind of kicked open. It doesn't, you have to lock it to shut it, so that's not going to be perfect. But I'm already sweating. It's only been like 15 minutes maybe. And that thing is kicking and my garage is nice and warm. So, what is that? A little 35,000 BTU Reddy heater. runs off of propane, and the fan runs off electricity. That thing is the real deal. Now I do have a drop ceiling in here, but this garage is drafty. I have the lead windows, so it's not perfect as far as the seal, but I'm already, I want to take my hoodie off. I'm already sweating, so this is a good sign. We have heat, and the cool thing is it's portable. So if you need to go over to your buddy's garage or barn or whatever, and you're working on something, you can take it over there relatively easily and heat that area. So I think we've solved my garage heating problems. Now I have to get to work on the truck. Alright guys, Matt from Just Wrench It. I will see you later.